What's up, y'all? My name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach, and thank you so much for coming back for another episode of the Lawnmower Confessions. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys 9 tips that you can use to mow your cool season or warm season lawn. So without further ado, let's get into the video. You want to make sure that you have the right tool for the right job. And in this case, you want to match the size of your mower with the size of your lawn. Take my lawn, for example, 20,000 square foot turf type tall fescue lawn that I like to mow between 4 to 4.5 inches all year long. And so I chose a mower that is riding and that has a 50-inch deck to be able to get through that thick, tall grass. So if you have a smaller lawn, make sure that you have a smaller mower, maybe a 21 to 22 inch deck. There are 2 different types of mowers. There are rotary style mowers and there are reel style mowers. Generally speaking, reel style mowers are used for shorter grasses, which are typically warm season grasses. And then rotary style mowers are typically used for taller grasses, which happen to normally be cool season grasses. But at the end of the day, you just want to make sure that you have the right tool for the right job. While these aren't hard and fast rules, typically speaking, certain grass types like to be mowed at given heights. Take turf type tall fescue, for example. Typically, it likes to be mowed between 3 to 4 inches. Can you mow it short? Absolutely. But typically speaking, it likes to be mowed tall. Take Bermuda grass, for example. Can you mow it tall? Absolutely. But typically speaking, it likes to be mowed short. So check on your grass type and make sure you're mowing on its recommended height. But the most important thing to remember is the 1/3 rule. You never want to remove more than 1/3 of the grass blade at any one mowing. There's an old saying in lawn care, the more you mow, the healthier your lawn will grow. So not only does mowing frequently help promote growth, which will thicken up your lawn, it will also make sure that you're not breaking that 1/3 rule. And if you really want to dominate your neighbors, try doing what's called a double cut. When you mow, go north and south and then immediately change directions and go east and west. This pattern will set yourself apart and make sure that you get the best cut possible. Try changing up the direction that you mow every week. One week, go north and south. The next week, go east and west. And maybe the third week, try going in a diagonal pattern. This will ensure that you don't get any rutting of the lawn, and also any tall grasses, you'll prevent those from laying over, making sure that you get a nice even cut. Pay special attention to your discharge chute and make sure you're not throwing grasses into any of your natural areas. Mowing a wet lawn can cause a host of issues. It's much harder for your mower to expel those grass clippings when the grass is wet, which can lead to frayed grass blades, causing fungus, or even clumps being left on your lawn. So try mowing later in the day and give the dew the opportunity to melt off before you mow. Really quick, if you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like. Having sharp mower blades ensures that you get a clean cut, reducing the amount of stress that you're putting on the lawn during mowing. It also decreases the likelihood of fungus and insect damage. Edge, mow, then blow. Edging first ensures that those clippings are thrown back into the lawn. Then when you mow, they're mulched up, making cleanup super easy. When it comes to mowing, angles are everything. So pay attention to your lighting whenever you're mowing, and you'll reveal those super awesome stripes. The light stripes are the stripes going away from you, and the dark stripes are the stripes coming back at you. Pay attention to the direction of the sun and make sure you're mowing with the sun to give the best, deepest, darkest stripes possible. Get yourself a pair of Bluetooth wireless headphones like these Work Tunes from 3M. Not only are they great for hearing protection, They're awesome for lawnmower karaoke. That just about does it for today's video. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Please consider subscribing. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which tip was your favorite or which one you think I missed. With that being said, my name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach. Hope you have a great day, and I can't wait to see you in the lawn.